Looking for the best carpet cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 carpet cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Carpet Cleaner. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, yet it does a good job tackling stains and messes. Comes at an affordable price. Has a 4 dirt lifter to remove deep-set stains, dirt, hair, and dander. This powerful machine is both affordable and great for cleaning small areas. Includes no attachments. A few machines quit working after several months of use. At number 2. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Lightweight with a 20-foot cord. Easy to use. Includes dual tanks, a rinse option, and hot air blowers for drying. Hose and attachment tools make for easy cleaning of upholstery, curtains, and hard-to-reach areas. A lightweight, affordable model from a reliable manufacturer that's good for heavily carpeted homes. Some incidents of leakage and breakage. At number 1. Bissell Big Green Professional Grade Carpet Cleaner. Features powerful suction. Has a 25-foot cord and 9-foot hose. Great for carpeted stairs and upholstery thanks to the well-designed stain tool. Easy to push and pull across floors. A heavyweight, pro-grade cleaner with performance that rivals that of other pro-grade cleaners. This model is heavy and more expensive than some competitors. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.